Hey guys, so it's G here. So what I'm doing here is I'm making some more empanadas from the ground beef, the meat pie I had yesterday. So I had still had a lot of ground beef left over. So I'm making some more empanadas. So if you didn't miss yesterday's video and how to make the paleo empanadas, again it's paleo, so it's great. It's gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, grain-free, free of all that stuff. So right now I'm making the crust for the empanadas, meat pies, and so we're doing that today. So like again, I had some leftovers, so I'm making some more. So if you click on the upper left hand corner, you're gonna see the video there, link to watch me make the whole process of making the empanadas from beginning to end. Go ahead and click there, check that video out, and then today I'm just continuing with I'm just making some more because I had a lot of ground meat left over from yesterday. Okay, so see y'all. Batter crust for the paleo empanadas that I made yesterday. So again, this is the filling that we did yesterday. This is the beef, the ground turkey beef that I made. That's gonna go inside the crust. We're making empanadas, meat pies, and we need a half a cup of almond flour and a half a cup of tapioca flour, and we just need 1 cup of coconut milk. So we're going to pour all of this inside this bowl, mix it together with this spoon, and that'll make the batter, the crust, to make the crust for the empanadas. So I'll be on later once everything's in a bowl, and I'll show you how to mix it up. Okay, so Aiden is helping make the batter. So now wait, so right now in the bowl we have a half a cup of the tapioca flour. Now we're going to put a half a cup of the almond flour.
But so is this whole thing a half a cup?
Yeah, that's a half a cup. So go ahead and pour it.
So we have to pour the whole thing?
Yeah, pour the whole thing in the bowl. Thank you, Mama's little helper. Okay, now you're going to pour 1 cup. You have 1 cup of coconut milk. So you're going to pour that in there too.
It's heavy.
Yeah, go ahead. Pour it slow. Good job, good job. You can do it.
All of it?
All of it, all of it, all of it. Yeah, pour it all in there. Pour it all in there. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, okay. Good job. Now put the cup down. Now Mama gotta take the spoon. See the spoon there?
Yeah.
Yep.
Stir it.
And just go ahead and stir it together. So we're making the batter to make the crust for the meat pies, the empanadas. So I did this yesterday. So at the end of this video, you guys, at the upper left hand corner, there's gonna be the link there. You can check out the video I did yesterday and how I made the meat filling. And then you can check that out. And then lower right hand corner, you could click there to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so we're gonna mix the batter. Aiden's mixing the batter. Thank you, honey. He's such a great helper. Thank you. So he's mixing the batter, and next we're gonna put it. Here's a platter. We're gonna put it on the griddle and make it like I said, like pancake batter. So we're mixing that together.
I don't want it to
and then we're gonna put it up here and on the skillet and the griddle, and we're going to make the crust for the empanada, and so we'll be on in just a sec. So Aiden is brushing. Let's go slow, baby. 1 stroke. He's brushing the baking pan with brushing some olive oil, so that way when we put the empanadas up there, they don't stick when you bake it. There you go. Good job. So he's getting that done. We got the batter here ready. We got the griddle here to get the thing to make the crust. We'll see you guys in a second. So now we're getting the egg wash ready. So just a scrambled egg that he's taking with the brush, and he's just scrambling it. That's all. That's gonna be the egg wash. We're gonna need the egg wash to brush the crust with when we fold the meat inside of it. We'll fold with the meat in the middle, fold it, and we need the egg wash to. That's basically the glue that's gonna glue the crust together with the filling. So Aiden is getting the egg wash. Just
you can't have it like right there.
Yeah, just scrambled egg. 1 egg that we scramble, and he's
wait. If you still
not scrambling, but he's just getting the egg wash ready. Just 1 egg. Just take the egg and do that. Scramble it. Okay, so now we got the batter. It's on the griddle. So we're gonna make about 6 of these. So all we're doing is we're just gonna cook the bottom like how it's cooked right now. Then we're gonna flip it over into the baking sheet. And so the batter is here. So I'm gonna make 6 of these. It's bubbling. Like I said, it's similar to when you're making pancakes. So when it bubbles and that bottom is cooked, we're gonna take it off and flip it over on the baking pan. And we're gonna make I'm gonna make like 4 of these, and then that's it. I'm making 4 meat pies. That's gonna be for my empanadas. That's gonna be for my dinner today. So I'll show you guys in a second when everything's on the baking sheet. We'll come back and show you how it looks. Okay, so making progress there. I got 2 empanadas here on the baking sheet. Those are ready to go. Got this one here. So I'm gonna take this off the grill, move it over here, flip it over. Okay. Take the egg wash that Aiden made earlier. Square it up here. Here's the ground meat. So we got the ground meat turkey. Again, this is turkey ground meat. You can use whatever ground meat you want. However, I wanted to use turkey ground meat. So you take the turkey ground meat and you're going to fill it in the empanada. So you're just filling it with this. Let's leave this here. Fill it here. Just filling the empanadas with some meat. However much meat you want to put on it. And then you flip it, you fold it, actually fold it, I meant to say fold it. There you go, so you can take your finger and just push it down. Then you take the egg wash and you just put it on top. Again, the egg wash is the glue that's going to glue it together. And there we go, so we got 3, so I'm going to continue, and when this is done, we're going to bake it on 350 degrees for 30. Okay, so as you can see, empanadas are ready. They're on the baking sheet. So now I'm gonna transfer them into the oven. Put them on 350 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. So I'm gonna transfer them to the oven now. And then I'll be back on later to show you guys the finished product. So Aiden left. He went to the store with his dad, so my little helper is gone. Anyway, so these will be done in about 40 minutes. So I'll come back and show you guys when they're finished and ready to eat. Yum. Are going in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes on 350 degrees. So I'll show you guys when it's all ready. Empanadas are ready to eat.